What's good, YouTube family? What's happening? What's good? What's good? What's good? It's your man Danny signing in for the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny on this April the 12th, 2022. Hope everybody has had a productive and safe and successful Tuesday. Mine has been pretty good. Had a pretty good day at work, and I actually had to go to the dentist today and got a cleaning and stuff, and turned out I needed to get some fillings, so I got that done. So my teeth and mouth is feeling kind of weird, but I'm here and gonna get through it just to show y'all what's going on these charts. We're going to analyze and see what we can look ahead to anticipate as the markets move up and down like they do. But if anybody's interested in Forex coaching, learning more about Forex, my information is scrolling below on the screen. You can email me, DannyGoodman03@gmail.com. Hit me up if you have any questions. If you're interested in coaching, hit me up, holla at me. You can follow me on Instagram, _Danny_Goodman. Follow me there. DM me, hit me up, holla at me. And as always, want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and leave some comments. Let me know you're watching. Whether you have any questions, you like the content. Anything you have, just hit me up, holla at me. But basically, we're just going to take a look at the charts today and see what has happened, see what we can look forward to, and also take a look at investing.com, see what kind of headlines or news has been released for the sake of trying to further anticipate where the market could be going. So without further ado, I'm going to transition to my chart. So we have some great news. Prices gotten under that support line we've been eyeing for a while now, which means that the support line, those bulls or the buyers who were jumping in the market, they have gotten so weak that the price has gotten, the candles has closed under that support line, which has given us a great possibility of it to continue on down and try to test the next lowest support line. So currently, let me zoom in just a little bit. So currently, this candle right now that's going on, it's just kind of testing it. Like anytime price breaks a major support line, it's going to try to test it and try to see what it does. But what most likely is going to happen is it's going to test and test and test, and then it's going to eventually reject and come on down, which God willing, tomorrow when I check back in with you all, that will be the case, and hopefully the buyers won't try to come in the market and cause a huge rally. But it's we're basically locked in here, man. I mean, I brought my stop loss into profit the other day. I haven't moved it. What had happened a little earlier today as well is a part of that, before it broke that line and got under it, the buyers try to give it a one last, just another push, and they got up there, and I wasn't nervous or anything like that, but I was like, man, I just hope it don't take me out the trade, because I knew it was going to keep on going down. I was just hoping that it wouldn't take me out the trade, and then I would have to get back into another trade, and it played out. The price went back down. The sellers came back into the market, and it pushed down. And as you're seeing right now live, like I was saying, it's testing, but you see that wick right there that's creating is looking like it's going to reject. And if it does reject, it's going to give us, great indication that it's going to keep on going down. So going to take a look and see what kind of headlines are going on. Let's see. So we're checking out the news on the GBPUSD, which is the pair that I trade on. I mean, there are a lot of other pairs you can trade with. This is my favorite because I find that it moves pretty good for the most part. Sometimes it does get choppy, like we've experienced in the last week or two or whatever. But when it moves, it definitely moves. So let's see. So it says GBPUSD selling off the test 1.30. The figure as US dollar bounces back to life. So with all that news that's going on, there's some hope that the dollar is building strength. And again, with the whole Forex thing, with the whole Forex market, we're looking at two different currencies going head to head. So in the case where we're looking at, let me just go back to my chart just to explain this real quick. So when we're dealing with Forex, we're dealing with a pair of currencies. So I'm trading GBPUSD. So anytime the Great Britain pound is more valuable than the dollar, then it goes up. You see it going uptrend. Versus when the dollar is more valuable, that's when you get that downtrend. So just looking at a chart, a Forex pair chart, like say for instance the one we're looking at now, just looking at it, you see it going down. Okay, the dollar's pretty strong versus the GBP versus going up. Okay, the pound is doing well against the dollar now. So just to show you all that. So I'm going to go back to the headlines. I just wanted to clarify that because of that headline. I was saying how the US dollar bouncing back to life. Let's look at another one. GBPUSD traders fight to get the price back above the 100-hour MA, but finding resistance. So it was some resistance, and it's looking like it's gonna go down. Let me see. Let me go to one more headline. So this is GBPUSD to plummet towards 1.28 on failure to hold above 1.30. So that's giving me, like, just reading this headline right here is giving me confidence in where I have my take profit, because you see right there that 1.28. Let me go back to the charts. So where I have my take profit is at about 1.28880. So the headline is basically kind of confirming that price could get that low. If this thing holds up and continues to resist right here, it's testing. If it resists and come on down, we could see something drastic, and then the rest of the news that's going to be coming out this week could definitely help it to get down that low. So as I've been doing, as you all been doing, you all who've been checking me out, watching me, we're just gonna stay patient, hold tight, let the market come to us, and look forward to this thing getting into further profit, so that me myself, I can get closer to my goals and bounce back from a few losses that you guys have seen me experience, so I can get back on track and make this thing do what it do. But something that I failed to do when I first started talking, this Forex, man, it's definitely a great investing vehicle for anybody who might have some capital they're looking to see some returns on. I would definitely recommend Forex. It's definitely, it's challenging. It's fun. Me myself, this is a passion of mine. I just love looking at the charts and dealing with this, Forex industry and the markets and stuff like that. Because it's just challenging. I love challenges, and then also I just understand and see that I see the light at the end of the tunnel. How this could definitely be a resource for me to be financially independent. But with any and all investing or investments, there is a risk of loss. So you must do your due diligence, and also must give the disclaimer that past performances don't indicate future successes and future performances, because just like we might look at some opportunities that have happened down here, like you see how this downtrend happened, but then me anticipating something like that up in here, it got all choppy on me. So you must do your due diligence. You must definitely educate yourself on Forex or any and all investments so that you can make wise decisions. But yeah, this has been the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny. God willing, I'll look to check back in with you all tomorrow, and God willing, I'll be in further profits. But as you can see, with this Forex, you got to be patient. You got to withstand some adversity at times. You might take some losses, but if you just stay the course, profits are right around the corner. But if anybody's interested in learning more about Forex and getting coached up, hit me up, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, leave me a comment, email me, DannyGoodman03@gmail.com. Hit me up if you got any questions. Follow me on Instagram, _Danny_Goodman. Follow me there on Instagram, leave me a DM, just hit me up, holler at me. But until next time I check back in with you all, God willing, tomorrow. Hope everybody's have a great evening, night, morning, afternoon, just depending on where you all are at. But until tomorrow, y'all take care of yourselves, y'all stay safe and healthy. Peace out.